Over here, you can see that I got some layers right here in my main working area. And if I were to go around and move these around right here, I can see that you can go around and click and drag these around and move it anywhere. But sometimes you may want some objects to be in a fixed place so that you don't accidentally move them around. And in that case, you can go around and use the locking and unlocking feature inside of Polotno Studio. So for that, you can go around and select out any one of the object right here. And over here on the top right hand side, you can see that you can go around and lock this object out right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that this particular object is locked out. Similarly, you can go around over here and lock out another object over here as well. And this is locked out as well. You can still select out the object, as you can see right here, but you cannot move this right here. So you can move out this object as it is not locked, as you can see right here, but you won't be able to move out these locked elements right here. But if you want to unlock them again, then you can simply click on these and then click on the lock button, and then what happens is that they will be unlocked once more, as you can see. And that is how you can lock and unlock out layers inside of Polotno Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.